Creative artificial green grass ideas for garden decoration and landscape. Welcome to our channel. We explore creative ways to enhance your garden and landscape using artificial green grass. In this video, we will share innovative ideas to transform your outdoor space into a lush and inviting oasis. If you like these ideas, first of all like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon, and this video share to your friends and family members. Creative charming pathways through the garden using artificial green grass, whether winding through flower beds or leading the cozy seating area. Synthetic and rough pathways and add visual and touch while reducing maintenance. Elevate your garden design with a vertical gardens features artificial green grass, install vertical panels and living walls adorned with effects grass, introduce texture and visually interested to your outdoor space. If you like these ideas, first of all like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon, and this video share to your friends and family members. With these creative artificial green grass ideas, you can elevate your garden decoration and landscape design to new heights. Whether you are looking to reduce maintenance and visually appeal to create unique outdoor retreat. Thanks for watching, thanks for joining us. So don't forget like, share, subscribe for more inspiration and ideas. Thanks.